I'm Aaron from Fresh Freight. We recently purchased a steam cleaner from Power Blast. We've been exceptionally proud and happy of the purchase we've made. Currently the machine kicks out 3000 PSI and uses the equivalent of 21 litres per minute. We can foam up a full 45 foot trailer in the matter of 30-40 seconds and equivalent to steam cleaned out. So time is important and speed of washing is great. The purchase of the machine was streamlined with James and the team, and the follow-up servicing has been sensational. Can't complain at all. Thank you very much.